I start the mixing the pen, I will switch on the mixing machine for the pigments of pen. It's good mixing. And then first step before this is called binder for the pen. This is the Glazurate 90 line water base. The ratio of binder 70% the binder and 30% the base coat. This is the first step, the 992.929-93. This is first mixing pen. First, I will clean the portion of the panel. I would like to spray with 541-5 silicone remover. Degreaser. This is the portion. I want to start prepare this portion from here to this panel. Because this is spot prepare, my pressure inlet I use 0.8 because to avoid overspray. And the distance my spray gun from panel to spray gun 15 centimeter. This is covering coat. This is base coat, water base, Glazurate 90 line. Now, after spraying, I'll wait 5 minutes to dry the base coat or until matte. I'm using the blower. This is a dryer blower. I will spray for the second time because the base coat now is dry, matte, looking matte. That's why I spray for the covering coat second time. Approximately 3 times to spray for the epic color base coat for the last spray. This is the standard of Glazurate. Now it's dry again. Look, but I will spray. It's called for epic color. This is this coat, last coat, ready for top coat clear. Now I will spray biscuit. Now I'm using the pressure inlet 2 bars now because this is epic color to avoid the pen cloudy. The distance I spray because this is epic color or biscuit, I use 25 centimeter. And my pressure inlet is 2 bars. Spraying the biscuit there inside the painting booth. Now I will mix the clear coat of Lacerate 90 line biscuit water base. This is the clear 923-255. The ratio of this clear is and the hardener and thinner is 2:1. This is the clear coat. This is the hardener 929-93. And this is the thinner 352-91. Now, I will mix the I spray top coat for this area. This is a finishing. Normally, standard of top coat is 1 medium coat and 1 full coat. My pressure sequence inlet I using 2 bars because this is clear top coat. And the distance of my spray gun between the panel and my spray gun I using 15 centimeter standard size, standard distance. One medium coat, now full coat for finishing last coat. The same pressure inlet, 2 bars and the distance is 15 centimeter. The spray gun from the panel. That is the final coat. Now, I'm finished spraying the clear coat. I will spray the, it's called Ispat Blend to avoid this joint, to hide this joint from new and old pen. so that nobody can see my spot repair. We use spot blend thinner 352-500, this one. The pressure inlet is the same. I using pressure inlet 1.5 bar and the distance is 15 centimeters.